Good morning, Garfield Scholars. Mr. E here again. This is going to be different uses of a sock, part 2. Hopefully you've watched the first video, which was of throwing and catching with a sock. So today we're going to go into using whatever you have at home to help you strike the sock up and down. So first thing I want to go over is what equipment you can use. Now, you don't have to use what I'm using. Be creative, use different things that you have at home. What I'm going to use today is I'm going to use some kind of spatula, a paper plate, some tape, possibly, and then you also need a sock, preferably clean if you can, but that doesn't really matter. Also a piece of cardboard. You can also use Tupperware or some kind of plastic, and then some kind of box. And if you don't have all of those items, it's okay. We can start out simple. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your spatula, you're going to place it upside, you're going to have it right side up, and you're going to have your paper plate, and you are going to put the plate on the spatula and then turn it upside down so the spatula is looking like this. Paper plate on the ground. Now take your tape and you can tape your spatula onto the paper plate. Use 2 pieces, whatever you have available, you can tape on. So now I have my paddle. Here's my paddle. Hopefully this will stick. I haven't tried this yet. This is my first time. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to roll up your sock into a ball. Now, if you already have a light ball, you can use that. You could use a balloon. You could use whatever, a little teddy bear. You choose. So now I have my ball and my paddle. And what I want you to first do is try to throw the ball, the sock ball, up in the air and see how many times you can hit it with striking, using your paddle to strike the ball. Let's see how many times I can do. I haven't practiced this. And I'm just gonna let it go, drop, and hit it. There we go. And keep my eye on the sock, and it's flipping. Good job. It's like I'm flipping burgers, right? I can even flip the paddle over and keep it straight up and see if you can balance it. Next thing, see if you can start with it on your paddle and catch. Throw it up with it and catch it. And catch. And catch. See if you can do that. Also, see if you can use your left hand. See if you can use your left hand. It's a little bit harder. Or your non-dominant hand. Keeping my eye on that sock. All right? I want to find out from all of you, if you email me or email your teachers or talk to your teachers, tell them how this went. Second thing you can do with that sock is you can use your Tupperware. You can use some piece of plastic. Ready? And I can use both hands to strike that sock. Keep my eye on it, keeping that in front of me, and I can strike it hard. I use a strong force, or I can use a light force. Light force. Strong, light. Okay? And that is it. I hope you have fun and keep on being active and stay healthy.